Before buying a rotary or electric cheese grater, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you. But the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many of these products can look similar at first glance, but the real differences come down to performance and ease of use. Product number 1, HARDELL Cordless Rotary Tool. Let's kick things off with the HARDELL Mini Cordless Rotary Tool. Priced at $35.38, this little gadget caught my eye because of its portability and versatility. If you want a reliable tool for DIY projects, this is worth a serious look. This rotary tool comes with 69 accessories, making it perfect for everything from sanding to engraving. The 5 speed settings, ranging from 5,000 to 18,000 RPM, mean you can tackle different tasks with ease, whether you're a beginner or an experienced DIYer. Plus, the LED indicator helps you see your work clearly, which is super handy. With over 7,000 units sold just last month, it's clear that people are loving this tool. Now, some users did mention that it's not ideal for heavy-duty projects. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for something for light to moderate tasks, this isn't a deal breaker. It's perfect for crafting and simple jobs, so if you're not tackling major renovations, you'll be just fine. This is perfect for you if you're a casual DIYer or just want something lightweight for home projects. Skip this one if you're looking for a heavy-duty tool for professional work. For the price, it delivers solid value for your casual or hobbyist needs. Now, if the portability of the HARDELL caught your attention, the next one takes a completely different approach with more power and versatility. Product number 2, Fantic F2 Master Mini Tool. Next up, we have the Fantic F2 Master Mini Cordless Rotary Toolkit, priced at $94.80. What stood out to me is its powerful brushless motor and sleek design. If you're serious about your DIY projects, this one is absolutely worth considering. It even comes with a nifty Ravoster hub that keeps your 35 accessories organized and easily accessible. This is great if you're always on the go and need to switch tasks quickly. However, some folks have pointed out that the battery is not removable, which could be a downside for some. But here's my take. If you're okay with USB-C charging and don't mind a built-in battery, this isn't a major issue. It's lightweight and portable, making it ideal for different settings. This is perfect for you if you want a powerful tool that's easy to transport for various projects. Skip this one if you prefer a tool with a removable battery for extended use. Honestly, for the performance you get, it's a good investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a high-performance rotary tool. Product number 3, Dremel 40 300/540 Toolkit. Now let's talk about the Dremel 40 300/540 High-Performance Rotary Toolkit, priced at $125.15. This one immediately caught my attention because of its premium features and versatility. If you want a serious tool for detailed work, this is definitely worth your consideration. This means you can easily switch from sanding to cutting without losing power. The pivot light is also a game changer. It helps illuminate hard-to-reach areas, which is super helpful in detailed tasks. On the flip side, some users found it a bit bulky for prolonged use. But here's the thing, if you're doing extensive crafting or professional work, the performance far outweighs the size. It's built for serious projects and will deliver results. This is perfect for you if you need a robust tool for extensive crafting or repairs. Skip this one if you're looking for something more lightweight for quick jobs. For the quality and range of accessories included, it's worth the money. Now, if you're looking for something even more compact and easy to use, the next product might be your best bet. Product number 4, HARDELL Pink Mini Cordless Tool. Next up is another offering from HARDELL, this mini cordless rotary tool in a fun pink color. While the price isn't listed, it's similar to their other models. What I liked about this one is its compact size and aesthetic appeal. If you want something stylish for small projects, this is worth checking out. It's lightweight, making it easy to control, and it's perfect for engraving or light sanding. Plus, the LED indicator ensures you can work in low-light conditions, which is a nice touch. However, a few users mentioned that the battery life could be better. But honestly, for casual use and the price point, it's still a good choice for hobbyists or anyone looking to get started with DIY. This is perfect for you if you want an affordable, stylish tool for small tasks. Skip this if you need something with longer battery life for more demanding projects. Overall, it's good value for its intended use. Now, if you're really looking for a powerhouse, let's get into the last product on our list. Product number 5, Fantic F2 Pro Rotary Toolkit. Finally, we have the Fantic F2 Pro Cordless Rotary Toolkit, priced at $126.41. What grabbed my attention is its high-efficiency magnetic motor and ergonomic design. If you want a premium tool with great features, you should definitely consider this one. The design also includes a 360-degree rotating magnetic accessory holder, which is super convenient for quick access to your tools. Plus, the LED light enhances visibility, making it easier to work in dim conditions. Some users did mention that the tool could be a bit heavy for extended use. But if you're focused on doing more intricate work, the performance and features more than make up for it. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a high-quality tool that combines power and efficiency. Skip this if you want something ultralight for quick projects. At this price, you get a lot of high-end features that are worth the investment. So to wrap things up, we've covered a range of rotary and electric cheese graters, from the portable HARDELL Mini cordless to the high-performance Dremel 40 300 540. Each has its pros and cons, but depending on your specific needs, be it portability, performance, or versatility, there's definitely something on this list for you. Happy grating!